For this kind of tricky problem, we're going to find the area of this entire rectangle. It's a square, actually. They should have told us that these are right angles. And then we will subtract the region, the part of the square that we don't want. So the area is 2 times 2, which is 4, minus the area of a triangle, which is 1/2, times the base of 2, which is this dimension here, multiplied by the height, which is this dimension here, which they don't give us. So we'll need to use Pythagorean theorem with the yellow right triangle. Keep in mind that this side was 2, and this green segment cut 2 in half, so this yellowed side is just 1 unit tall. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs, h and 1. So 4 equals h squared plus 1, and 3 is equal to h squared. So h is equal to the square root of 3. So come on down here to our formula then, where we're finding the area of the entire square minus the area of the white space, which is a triangle whose area is 1/2 times its base of 2 times the height, which is the square root of 3. So 1/2 of 2 is 1. So the exact answer is 4 minus the square root of 3. And the decimal approximation is about 2.268.